Hey everybody. Sometimes it's just hard to find a quiet spot, so I can always find some peace where the water is rushing by. So in this video I wanted to show you a beautiful tree that I caught in some autumn colors and how the light shines through them. And then some other little fun things I'm going to treat you to, and some beautiful places along some more water areas. So stay tuned till the end and you get to see my RV as well. The little vintage I was talking about in the last video. So I'm renovating it so I could take you on more adventures. So, and also check out my website and subscribe there so you don't miss out on any specials in my art there. You'll find a lot of really cool stuff. So, and Christmas is coming soon, so I'll see you soon with some more beautiful adventure here in this video. So stay tuned. See you soon. Hey everybody, I'm out here on some private land with some family. Thought I'd get you catching a few glimpses of what's left of autumn here in Southern Oregon before we move on to the next adventure. So I hope you enjoy this, and let me take you on some fun places. See you soon. So since we're into autumn, I thought you might enjoy seeing this little guy. I had started him a while before I did YouTube, and I hope you enjoy this little painting because I love how the snow dusts the autumn leaves. So imagine him in some of the trees as you watch the rest of the video. Enjoy!
Mama, the pepper. It's a leather pepper. It's a pond down there. Lots of ponds.
Those were the sounds of my sweet little grandkids in the woods. We were having so much fun. They were picking huckleberries. Here's a little teaser clip of the little tree that I painted for a little lesson that I will be adding to Patreon. Here I'm just bringing in those beginning touches. So you'll see in a minute how it looks when it's finished. So I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. Leave me some comments in the bars below the video, and I'll see you in some more adventures coming up. Here they come. Here's the end of the painting, and you'll get to see the full version in real time in my up and coming Patreon membership. So stay tuned. Enjoy. Another big old pile of bear poo. Look at that. I wear a size 7 shoe, 7.5-ish. Wow. Beautiful country here. Oh, so amazingly gorgeous. There's a mountain beyond that right there. Just driving down the road. Gorgeous views across the mountain. Oh my gosh. Look what I spotted. Looky there. Aren't they beautiful? Where's the boy? Where is he? I saw him a minute ago. Ooh, look at him. Ooh, they got a little spooked. Something's going on. Oh. Oh, I love it when I see elk. Something's spooking them. Or they're just playing. Oh, there's a bull. The bulls chase each other around too. Oh, this is so cool. Yay, I caught the elk. Since I've been trying to practice editing, here's my cat Morton. Lewis is going to show up. There's Louie. I wanted to show you my project. This will get me out on the road. It's covered right now because it's a vintage, and I call him Mr. Vintage. I love the shutter windows, and I've been renovating the inside. So it's a work in progress, of course, and let me take you inside. This will get me out into the nature so that I can camp out more next summer. It is turning to winter now, so it is very cold in here. I've been pulling out all the rotted stuff, all the old insulation that I can't stand, and I'm going to re-insulate it. And it needs the counter replaced. Needs the floor done. Not sure what I'm going to do with this closet thing here. I kind of want a more countertop because I want the light to come through. I am going to build in a bathroom into this. So here is the beginning stages. Just wanted to share that with you. I just love these shutter windows though. This is going to be so cool. I'm going to, of course, keep the dinette here. I'm going to revise it just a little bit. But this is a fun project, and I wanted to share it. This whole corner has been reinforced, and the back part of the cabin, the corners are going to be reinforced as well. See, there was a whole bunch of old wood up here. It's not rotted. It's pretty sturdy, and I've been advised to just put some treatment on there because it's not rotted. It's just kind of got nasty looking. Anyways, I just had to show you that. So, it has no oven. I do want to put a refrigerator in there. So, stay tuned and you'll get to see more progress done on this baby. Oh, I love it. I can't wait to get out and show you where I'm going to take this. And I thought about doing some muraling along the outside of it. You know, use my artistic creativity, make some beautiful, wonderful art on the outside. Look, here's the other side. I just love my Mr. Vintage. I want to thank you so much for staying to the end and watching the whole video. And the Blue Jay agrees with me. He says, thanks for watching. And be sure and go to my website and sign up for my newsletter so you can get on the deals for Christmas. Thanks again. See you in the next video.